Okay, this is the safety catch arm on the very top tooth, and it is about just 3/16 to a quarter inch away from the tooth at this point of the jack height. And the jack, that's the very top tooth for the highest point of the jack. Here's the other side, again, the very top tooth, however, it's against the tooth on this side. So the length of these arms are not the same. This one is about 16 shy of 4 inches, which is why it's shy of the tooth. And that one's about 4 1/8 inches in length. That's why it's engaging the tooth. So basically, I have a 4,500 pound Tuxedo RJ-45 jack that I just purchased about a month ago, and it is only engaging half of the safety catch, so it's basically giving me a weight capacity of a little over 2,000 pounds versus the 4,500 pounds, because only one of the arms are engaging to the safety lock. I've got another jack right behind it that I purchased about the same time, and both of these arms are engaged. You can see that one's engaged completely on the tooth, as is this one. However, both of these arms, I've measured these at just about 4 1/16 inches long. So they're still too short, and the reason I say they're too short is because even though this is at the top tooth, my tire is still on the runway. I cannot take my tire off the car to work on it. And I've got the smallest puck on there, jack puck, and this is a Corvette 03 C5 Corvette, so it's a very low riding car, and the front wheels are well clear of the runway. They're both the same notch on the safety latch. Front tire has a good 2 inches of clearance almost. The back wheel is engaged to the runway, and I can't even turn the tire. I can turn the wheel because I can't get the wheel off because it's too tight against the runway. So, and again, this is a Corvette. I've got the car cover on there now because I'm storing it for winter, but this is a very low riding car, so we should not have this problem with a jack that's supposed to have this kind of lift capacity. Again, it's a Tuxedo RJ-45 rolling jack, about a month old.